this is Milople age verification app page from where you can install the app. I have already installed it, so let's just open it and do the setup. So this is home page of age verification pop-up app. First thing you have to do is create an account because currently no account found. You have to add username and email and click on save. That's it, your account created successfully. Now next step is you can see setup guide of how to get started with age verification pop-up app. First thing you have to do is enable age verification. Simply go to online stores, themes, customize and app embeds. You can redirect via this button as well. Let's just click it. Here I have already enabled it. If it is disabled, then enable it and click on save. That's it. Next step is we have to set up the configuration. How you want the age verification pop-up to show up. By clicking on go to configuration. Here we have set serial key which will be automatically generated as soon as you create an account. Then next step is enable and disable of age verification. Here you can set age limit 18, 17, 16. Currently we have set 18. Next setting is cookie lifetime in days. This will allow to save Milople age verification pop-up for 30 days. After 30 days, the pop-up will show up again after submission. Next step is verification type. There are multiple types we have been added: checkbox, yes and no, and date of birth. You can set any of them as per your requirement. Next is anchor text. You can set the title of the link. I agree with the anchor text terms and conditions. URL, when click on the anchor text, it will redirect you to the terms and use page. Here you also can set the text color of the anchor. You can change as well. Currently I have set the white color. Next setting is button setting. How you want to show the buttons of the age verification pop-up. Buttons on the label left is agree, disagree, whatever you want. Then button left background color, button left text color, button disable label right. You can set a label for the button disagree, button right background color, button right text color, etc. Next is pop-up settings. How you want to show the pop-up. For example, title of the pop-up will be set from here. Background color, body background color, which you can change from here as well. You can also set the title and content of from here. Are you sure 18 years or older? For example, we have set that here. Next is content title color, content subtitle if you want to add it, and that subtitle color as well. Next is underage notice setting. There are two types of settings we have given: show message or redirect URL. If you select show message, then you will set you can set underage message from here. If you choose redirect URL, then you can set the redirect URL from which you can redirect if someone click on it. Next is icon image. You can choose the icon image of the pop-up. I have choose this and click on save. Icon images and all the settings are saved successfully. Next step is pop-up rules. How you want to show the pop-up. If you want to show pop-up in all the pages, then you can select this option, and if you want to show pop-up in some specific pages, then just enable this page and you can add URLs of the specific pages one by one, I think one by one per line, then next URL in the next line, etc. and click on save rules. That's it. That's all you have to do for the admin. So after all these changes in the admin, let's see how the age verification pop-up is viewing on the website. So this is how in the front end it looks. This is the title, icon we have chosen, the message, are you 18 years or older, and sub message, and we have set a link. So here link is coming with the checkbox and agree and disagree button. We can change this link to the date of birth as well, as you can see. Go back to settings. Here we have select the checkbox, that's why checkbox is coming. You can select date of birth as well and click on save settings. Let's see. As you can see, date of birth is coming. Here you can enter March, April and year and enter. Currently is showing message you are too young to view this on website, as we have set in the settings. Underage notice type is show message. You can set it to the redirect URL as well and set the URL to which you want to redirect to it. Currently I have set the Google, so let's just set it and save. See, it will redirecting you to the Google.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.